Hi there and welcome back. Today we will be making this really simple and delicious stir-fry tomato, egg and beef, one of the easiest and classic Chinese stir-fry. Please consider to subscribe to receive updates whenever there's a new video. So for this simple recipe, you will need 3 ingredients which I'm sure you've guessed it, that is eggs, tomatoes and beef. First things first, we need 2 tomatoes. Slice the tomatoes into large wedges like that. Not too thin because you want to be able to see the tomato pieces after they've been cooked. Once that's done, set the tomatoes aside. Next, we have here about 150 to 200 grams of beef. I think this might be beef chuck, kinda looks like it, but you can also use sirloin cuts or any cuts that are suitable for stir fry. Place the meat into a bowl. Now marinate the meat with 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. For this recipe, I like to keep the seasoning simple because we are using fresh ingredients here, which already have great natural flavors. So mix that up evenly and we add in about 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Coat the meat evenly and this will help to brown the meat and thicken up the sauce later. Next, we take another bowl and crack in 4 eggs. To that, we add in half a teaspoon of salt and about half a teaspoon of light soy sauce for a little bit of umami flavor. Beat the eggs thoroughly and make sure the yolks are broken up and mixed well. And now we are ready to stir fry. So for this recipe, I'm using a carbon steel wok. You can use a non-stick pan, but you may already know that carbon steel wok will give you a better charred aroma, or better known in Cantonese as wok breath or wok hei. If you're using a carbon steel wok, here I'll be sharing some useful tips to ensure the eggs do not stick to the bottom of the wok. First, oil the wok. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of oil. Coat the base of the wok evenly and heat the oil up until you are able to see smoke. Here you can see some white smoke. Not sure if you guys can see clearly, but when there's smoke, it means the oil is hot enough. Now you can turn the heat down to low and pour in the egg mixture. Leave it for a few seconds to let some of the egg cook. Then gently push the egg around and let the rest of the mixture coat the wok. Again, leave it for another few more seconds and repeat until all the egg mixture is cooked. Once the egg is cooked, now we need to cut them into smaller pieces and brown the egg surface. Toss that around for a few more minutes. Once the egg is brown, remove and set aside. And now we add in a little oil back into the wok. From here, the process will need to be super fast as you don't want to overcook the beef. On medium heat, add in the beef. Stir fry for 20 seconds or when the beef starts to brown. Then throw in the sliced tomatoes. Toss everything for about 20 seconds or so, then add in about half a cup of water. Now, I think you're supposed to add in tomato sauce here, but I wanted to use the natural juices from the tomatoes without any additional seasoning. So cover and on low heat, let the steam from the water cook everything for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, remove the lid and see how the thick sauce has formed from the corn flour we used to coat the beef earlier. Throw the eggs back into the wok, turn the heat to high and stir fry everything quickly for 10 seconds and let the sauce coat everything thoroughly. Turn off the heat and serve. garnish with some spring onion, and that is it. A really simple stir-fry tomato, egg and beef. So simple and so much natural and well-balanced flavor with just minimal seasoning. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video, and I'll see you next time.